Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today for another exciting episode of unboxing. This is Maxi Limit. Today we are going to be doing the unboxing of the brand new device. It's an Apple product. As you can see, we have here in the studio iPhone 14 Pro Max. As you already know, Apple just released a couple of products, or should I say multiple products, including the Apple Watch, iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 14, and then that is pretty much it. But today in the studio we have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is a 256 gig that I took, and as you can see, it is in the gold color. Recently I did another unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro that was on a deep purple, different color, and then a different size because this is the Max. So in this video we are going to do the unboxing. Eventually we are going to set up the product, and then you can see how it is. So most important thing, we are going to be talking about the dynamic island. This is the little cut that Apple introduced this year. In the previous year we used to have the notch, but quickly everybody get used to it, and then now they introduce a new thing, the dynamic island. I hope everybody can be able to get used to it as we did for the cutout, for the notch, but hopefully it's not going to be there in our face and we cannot not go through it. That being said, let's get the show on the road. Let's keep cracking. Okay, so we are back, and as you can see, we have the iPhone 14 Pro Max in 256 gig in gold. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly take you around the box, and then you can see what we have. So as you can see in front of the box, we do have the iPhone 14 Pro Max picture with eventually the cutout there for the dynamic island. On the side we do have the iPhone. On this side also we have just iPhone. On top we have the Apple logo, and on the other side we have the Apple logo, and at the back we have eventually a couple of instructions and what this box contains, and then whatever is in the box, pretty much it. And as you can see, it is iPhone 14 Pro Max in 256 gig. I don't know why I'm keeping mixing this up actually. 256 gig. I mean, in the store they do have 128 gig, 256, 512, and 1 terabyte. But again, if you want to take something as this iPhone 14 Pro Max, just based on the quality of the picture this year, it's better to go for a bigger space, at least 256, or if you have the possibility to get more, then you definitely should go, because when you start taking pictures and shooting videos in 4Ks, yeah, the space will add up fast, and then you will run out of space eventually. So again, let's just quickly crack it open, right? So as you can see, it's brand new. It's sealed with the paper here. Previously, again, we do have the plastic wrap, but again, Apple want to save the environment. No more plastic is used in packaging, so we have only papers. And then let's go and open it. I'm gonna open it. There you go. As you can see, first one is opened. Second one also is gone. So this is no longer new. Basically it's new, but now it's still gone, right? I'm gonna open it. Oh, this is gorgeous. It's a gold color, but it's like kind of a white gold, like you can barely see the gold. Is kind of, I don't know how to describe this, like it's just, I mean, it's just kind of white, little bit gold, but it's not that gold perfectly. It's not like a yellow gold, but it is just beautiful. We don't want to drop this in, so be careful here. And then there you go. This is just amazing. Now we are gonna lift this up for the first time, and we're gonna see what is inside of the box. So simply amazing. Okay, I'm gonna lift this up for the first time. Gonna put it on the side for the moment. We just want to focus on whatever we have on the box, and as you can see, as always, we do have the cable, and this is a lightning cable, and also the Type-C connector. So Apple is still using those kind of connectors when everybody are mostly changed to Type-C connector. I guess they are waiting for the last minute to go actually portless. They're not going to have in the future any port, and then maybe that's why they are still using this for the moment. They just don't want to change it yet. Okay, and then we do have inside as well, we have again same sticker, always the same color. I don't know why they're not offering a different type of color, but we have the same old stuff color. And then we have some paperwork, as you can see, and we have the ejecting tools here. Again, if you are in the US, unfortunately you will not have this included in the box anymore, because because all of your devices, iPhone 14 Pro does not have anymore a SIM card tray, so you guys have a eSIM. So you might need to talk to your carrier provider to have that set up for you. Okay, now we can talk about this later about the eSIM. I don't have it in Canada because I'm in Canada. That's why, as you will see shortly, my phone has a SIM card tray. That's why we see the SIM ejecting tool there. Okay, so this is massive. It's very, very big. Again, as you can see at the back here, we have the new camera system. The bumps is bigger and larger to accommodate the new sensor. And then again, we can talk about this later, all the specs and everything. And on top here, as always, we have absolutely nothing. And at the bottom, we do have some couple of holes here, the microphones, and then the head, and then the speakers, and eventually the lightning cable, lightning connector where you have to charge your phone. And I'm gonna remove the paper for the first time. I want you guys to enjoy this. It's gonna be very gentle here. Let's do it. This is just so satisfying. Let's turn it on for the first time. Let's press the power buttons. All right, we have the Apple logo and it is loading. Let's see it. It is beautiful, really. I just love it. And as you can see, this is the gold. I just recently unboxed the purple one. I will just take it and I'll show you a quick comparison between the gold and then the purple. There you go. As you can see here, the color difference is just there, and then as you can see also the size, it's big. I have a small hand, so I would definitely be going for for this one. This is it. So I have both. As you can see here, I have both iPhone Pros, because you can see the cutoff on top, the dynamic island on both iPhone. But again, as you can see, the first screen is probably purple, and the other one is gold, because this is a purple and this is a gold one. So that's how you can actually see. All right, so I will now try to set this up for you for the first time. I don't know if I can do it on the phone. Here we can put this together here, and as you can see, we can definitely select a language here, English. And again, we have a Canada version here, and then we have a welcome page. We can definitely set up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually change the camera on the other side, and then we can actually see properly. All right, so as you can see now, the internet connection is now set. So we are gonna continue with we're gonna press continue, and then from there we are gonna do the Face ID, but we can set it up later. Again, for the sake of this video, when we can, then is asking us to put in a password, but again, I don't want to use a passcode, so I'm gonna select it later. Don't use, and again, yeah, don't use it. Again, one more time. Then from there is asking us if you want to do a backup, so if you want to take all your stuff from your previous phone, but again, I'm gonna select don't here, and then again, we do need to put our Apple ID. Again, I want to do it later. I just wanted to show you a little bit how the setup process is, and then again, you can set it up later again, or either if you don't have it, you can always create a new one, but again, set up later. Yes, don't use it, and again, that's it. Some agreement. You can either accept it or decline. If you disagree, then you are not able to continue with the setup. So I'm gonna accept it, and then again is doing some updates. We're gonna continue, and it's asking us for iMessages. We're gonna continue, and then locations, again we can continue. You know, I mean, it's very easy to set it up. Is it not pressing? I think it's doing some verifications here. Again, yeah, I think it's turning, so it's doing some verification. You just have to wait a little bit, and once this is done, it's set. And then here we have to use the QR code to set up cellular, if in case we are using a eSIM. But unfortunately, in my region, I do not have eSIM. Again, it's because basically I have not input the what's called the little chip in there yet to be able to have service, so I'm not gonna do it. I don't even know if I can set it up later. Yeah, I can set up later. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna skip it. I'm gonna use only the Wi-Fi for the moment. Again, Siri, we can set it up and choose names. I mean, choose your voice, so whenever you say hey Siri, is gonna definitely recognize your voice. We're gonna set it up later. Again, we can continue with the screen time. We're gonna track us, and then if we want to share, I normally don't share it. Again, we can decide to go dark mode or light mode, but for the sake of this video, I would definitely gonna go light for the moment. And then again, we can either choose zoom or not zoom. So if you cannot see properly, you can always have a zoom options there, and continue. Final SOS. Again, the SOS function is whenever you have any accident or you are in a remote location, you can definitely select this option. This is very recently been introduced with all iPhone 14, and then I think we have this for free for the first 2 years, and after that I guess there will be some subscriptions, and then that is pretty much it. We are definitely in the iPhone now, and we break it up and we see we are in the iPhone. Again, is regular stuff. It's the same iPhone that we used to, but again it is inside the specs and all that. And again, as you can see on top here, we have the dynamic island. That's what Apple calls it, dynamic island. Well, you basically interact with it. It's not just like the old notch that we have that we cannot do anything with it, but now in this case, for this year, we can definitely interact with it. You can actually press and hold it. It's going to give you some functionality, but basically we do need to be, like, for instance, we can play music, and then we can definitely interact with it. So I mean, have not yet really dig down into these settings to be able to show you, so that will be probably in another video that I will show you everything that you need to know about this new iPhone, and also the dynamic island. Okay, so again, this was a very quick video, the unboxing and the setup of the brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is again is in 256 gigabytes, and then as like I said before, I already did a video about the iPhone 14 Pro, just regular Pro. This is also 256 gig, and this is in the purple, and this is in gold. As you can see, the color are very different. So if you like the gold, you can definitely go for it. If you like the purple, you can definitely go for it. The purple is not a really, it's a purple, but it's a really dark purple. it looks like this mixed with the black color, something like that. So next video will come in where I will do more unboxing for different colors, and also I'll be doing the unboxing of the Apple Watch. So make sure you are connected, and then definitely I will bring this to you on this channel. Again, this is Maxi Limit. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Stay safe. Signing out now. Bye.